Guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If you have not done so already, definitely subscribe to the channel to become part of our home decor family.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase.
Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about a very niche type home decor style, I will say. This type is called Americana or patriotic home decor. So as you can see, as the pictures just kind of start to roll, any true blue American will love Americana home decor. Decorating your home in Americana decor is all about using the old stars and stripes everywhere. So basically, in layman's terms, because not a lot is really talked about this home decor style a lot, it's a very specific style. And it's a style that certain people will love and other people will go, I don't know about this. And I'm assuming that it's a style where the majority of the people that have this style are going to be here in the United States, in America. So for those of the truly patriotic, I love my country, even though I love my country as well, but for those people that don't mind displaying it on this level, I think the Americana home decor style would be great for you. I also, my husband's texting me, sorry. I also can see military families, especially where the husband or the wife is retired military or, something. I can see this being a style, especially older people. I just see this style in my parents' home for some reason. My dad is retired Army and just really true blue American, that type. I can just see this style in their home. I don't think my mom will allow it because she is more glam, but if my dad had his way, this would be his style. So when it comes to Americana style, as you can probably see, it's really heavy on the red, white, and blue. And basically that's the whole style. It's either red, white, and blue, it's the American flag in some aspect, or it's pieces of Americana type history. Whether, like you just saw, old license plates or things that are significant to the American, dream or the American idea, especially heavy in the 50s, 60s, 70s, kind of that era. But from what I've seen, it's really just made up of displaying red, white, and blue in your home.
But I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself.
So this style can definitely be implemented in a number of ways. Some people choose to go really, really heavy on the red with just a few pops of blue as an accent color, or vice versa. Or some people may have components of the flag, whether it's in having just the flag hanging on a mantle or on the wall somewhere, or what I like to call a deconstructed flag. So you may have red stripes in this piece of decor and blue stars over here, but when you take a step back and look at the whole room, it gives you the American flag, basically. So like I said, it's not a decor style for everyone. I know plenty of people who will pass on it. Honestly, I can't really see this in my home, but I do think it has its place, not only in American culture, but also in home decor. Some people are truly patriotic. Like I said, I can see this at a lot of, what this style reminds me of? Almost like a lake house in the South. Like a lake house in Gulfport, Mississippi, or Biloxi or something like that. I can definitely see the style. It just screams that to me. But comment down below if you would use this style in your home, if you have this style in your home, and just all around what you think about this style. I'm so curious to know. Like I said, comment down below. I'm just gonna let the video play. Also let me know what room you find the most appealing to you. I have picked my favorite at the end, so definitely keep watching if you want to see that. And also just subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other uploads that we have coming.
In a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
So as always, I have asked you to comment your favorite look down below in the comment section just to let me know. If you want to know mine, it's this right here, probably because it wasn't heavy on the Americana vibe. I like this room, even though it is technically Americana. It also gives you the relaxed blues. There's plenty of light, little touch of masculinity with that leather furniture in there. I actually really like the room. What do you guys think? Alright friends, as always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that notification bell and make sure you hit it to all so you will be notified when we drop a video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.